Hi, Simon this side. We will learn fraction again. What is fraction? Let's see. What is this? What is fraction? A fraction is a part of whole thing, a group of thing. There are everywhere in a real life. An amount of a fruit can be split into fractions. Seeing how we use fraction in our lives help us to understand them. Here is an example of apple. आप देख सकते हैं apple which is split into half. पहले ये half में split है. Then this half is split into 3 portions. Then each and every portion is the fraction. Fraction is just related to equal sharing. No cheating, equal sharing. Fractions are made with something is divided into smaller parts or groups. The simplest way to divide up something is to share it out equally. For example, a group of 8 strawberries can be shared out equally into 3 ways. Into group of 1, group of 2, group of 4. Let's see how. To learn the fraction, we have 3 sections here. In the first section, we have 8 kids. In second section, we have 4 kids. In the third section, we have 2 kids. Okay, we have to share 8 number of strawberries and the 8 kids. So, kid 1, kid 2, 3, kid 4, kid 5, 6, then kid 7, then kid 8. So each will get 1 strawberry, right? Each will get 1 strawberry. In the second section, we have 4 kids. So one will get 2 strawberries. Second kid will get 2 strawberries. Third kid will get 2 strawberries. Fourth kid will get 2 strawberries. So we have 4 parts equals 2 in each. In the third part, we have 2 kids. The kid 1 will get 4 strawberries. The kid 2 will get 4 strawberries. So 2 parts equal 4 in each, right? 2 equal parts. There are different ways to divide something into 2 equal parts or halves. One way would be to say, one for you, one for me, until none left. Means, एक आपके लिए, एक मेरे लिए. कब तक? जब तक सब finish ना हो जाए. Let's take example like this. If I pen, one for you, one for me. One for you, one for me. Now I'll finish. Now, 2 for you, 2 for me. The number of parts in which group or parts can then be counted. 10 frames. 10 frame is also used to divide a number into 2 equal parts. When the grapes are sorted, you can see how many there are in each part. Here we will divide 14 grapes into 2 equal parts. Let's see how. We will just keep the number of grapes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start dividing them. We will just one for me, one for you. 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All 14 done. How many groups are framed? 2 groups. How many grapes in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 grapes. So what is the equation? 14 divided by 7, so you will get 2 grapes. These are 7 grapes in each part, right? This is the equation framed. 14 divided by 2, you will get 7. Divide 14 by 2 is writing like this. When the whole amount has been shared out into 2 equal parts, it's called fraction. Means 2 equal parts. Each part of 2 is called half, which is written like 1 upon 2. Right? This is called half. Now we will learn halves and quarters in fractions. When the fraction is divided into 2 equal parts, so it will make half like this. Can you see this pizza? Pizza is dividing into 2 equal parts. So this each part is half of the pizza. It can be written in this form. And when the pizza is dividing into 4 equal parts, so each part is called 1 upon 4. It is half and it is quarter. Okay. In the fraction, this is top part is called numerator and the bottom part is called denominator. Right? Now, how can we write the fraction? Fraction can be written in this form. One is top number, one is bottom number. Top number is called numerator. The number which is on the top is called numerator. Number which is on the bottom is called denominator. And they are separated by a horizontal bar. It's called fraction bar. Now we will learn how to add halves of the fraction. For this we will take the example of this juices. For example, we have 2 glasses of juice. Both the glasses are half filled. If I pour this half glass and other one half, the second one is completely full, become whole. That means we have added 2 half to make it one whole. So like this, we can do the same. 2 halves will make one whole. As we did in the example, I have taken 2 half glass of juice and just poured 1 half glass into other one and it will make 1 full glass of juice. So when 2 halves comes together, we add them, it will make one whole. In the last slide, we have learned how to add 2 halves. Now we will learn how to add lots of halves. In this example, we have the pieces of fruit. So we have 1 half, 2 half, 3 half, 4 half, 5 half. As we know that when we add 2 halves, it will make one whole. These 2 halves comes together and making one whole. These 2 halves come together and will make one whole. And this is 1 half. So how many whole we have? We have 1 whole and 1 whole. That means we have 2 whole. 2 whole and half. That means it will make 2 whole and 1 half. That means 2 and half. Right? So in this way we can add lots of halves together. Let's try. Can you add the halves again? We have two examples, one of watermelon, one of oranges. Let's try again. Now, these are two halves. As we know that when two halves comes together will make one whole. Then again two halves, one whole. Two halves, one whole. How many holes we have? We have three holes. That means we have three whole watermelon. Now let's add the oranges. This will make two halves, one half and two half. This will make one whole orange. Then again two halves, one whole orange. Two halves, one whole orange. And this is the half alone. This will make 1 plus 1, 3.5. 3.5 oranges. Is it easy? Easy? Henna easy? We can learn many numbers of halves in the fraction in the same way. See you next time. Thank you for coming our class today. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया है so please like, share, subscribe and comment on it. If you have any questions so you can ask in comment section. Fine. Thank you.